Can you day trade on Coinbase? Yes, you can day trade on Coinbase through its advanced platform called Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro, formerly known as GDAX, offers a more sophisticated trading experience compared to the standard Coinbase platform. It provides advanced features such as real-time charting, a variety of order types, and lower fees, making it suitable for active traders. To start day trading on Coinbase Pro, you first need to have a Coinbase account. Once that's set up, you can access Coinbase Pro using the same credentials. The next step is to deposit funds into your Coinbase Pro account, either by transferring from your Coinbase account or by making a direct deposit. After funding your account, you can select the cryptocurrency pairs you wish to trade and analyze their charts for trading opportunities. On Coinbase Pro, you can place various types of orders, including limit orders, market orders, and stop orders, to execute your trades. It's crucial to stay updated with real-time market data to make well-informed trading decisions. However, be aware that day trading involves significant risk, so having a solid trading strategy and risk management plan is essential to navigate the volatile market effectively.